The energy was amazing. Vlad did a fantastic job of keeping everybody engaged the entire time.
I would say this class will take you from not knowing anything to being able to sell and close business in a very short period of time. I think everything that's in here is really nuts and bolts of what you need to do. There's nothing extra. There's not a lot of room for, well, should I do this or should I do that? This is just all you need to know, start to finish, to get you going very quickly.
Most of the time when we work leads, they always have a reason to not go forward, and it was always hard to rebuttal those because we didn't have that knowledge like we just gained from this.
I've been in insurance for about a year now, and this was really a chance to kind of get in there, the nitty gritty, what I like to call it. And it's just like, hey, this is what you need to do to be successful. It was a prescription from a doctor, if you will. You don't have to self-diagnose anymore.